Hi, this is Angelica Da Silva, and this is my Week 5 summary for Triple E 202. We started off the class with a lesson on semiconductors of physics. So we have a positive type and a negative type conductor, and this is the chemistry part of it. David showed us that a positive type would look like this and a negative type would look like this. Then he went into diodes. So we started talking about what a diode would look like. And we already demonstrated this in the Arduino kits. So we have an anode part of a diode and the cathode part of a diode, which would be the anode would be the positive and cathode would be the negative. And if not connecting it right in a circuit, your diode possibly wouldn't work, depending on the way it is. Then we went on to some more about diodes. So we went over forward basis and reverse basis. So we have the positive, negative, negative, positive, and that's what distinguishes them. Then we went over what a bipolar junction transistor would look like. And we have the junctions right here, and then we have the positive, the negative, and the positive. David said it would be like two bread pieces together. Then we went over what FETs was. We have an N channel and a positive channel. The negative channel had a arrow pointing towards it, and then positive channel had an arrow pointing out of it. And I learned all of this was new to me. I still don't have a full understanding of it yet. I have to do some more research on it in order to comprehend this. For the last part of class, we got to choose whatever we wanted to work on, whether it be projects or anything to prepare us for our interviews next week. So I decided to review back on the Castle kits and how to measure resistance, volts, and current on the multimeter. So I got out the Castle kit and I made a series circuit and a parallel circuit together. So I just wanted to make sure that I remembered how to actually connect these right, because sometimes you don't know how to connect them right. So I remembered how to connect them right. And then I also remembered that for measuring resistance and voltages, it would be different from a multimeter and compared to a current. So I made sure to write that down so I remember how to do that. And then for our neat resource, I thought Kristen's was a pretty good one. I actually wanted to do that certain software that she was talking about, but I didn't end up liking it, so I ended up changing to a different one. Melissa's was also good too because it was on Wikipedia. And the other link was the tutorials on like screencasting, which I thought was pretty interesting because I had the 5 tips. I don't know. And then I only spent 6 hours this week on the class because we only had one class period. And then the 2 other hours were spent on anything else that needed to be done for the class. And that's it for this week.